You can consider money making as a game. To play the games wisely, you need to follow rules that will help you win it. The better your understanding and use of the rules, the more likely you are to win in the money game. Hi, welcome to Grayson Finance. Today, we are going to talk about 7 money rules you should follow. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. A lot of people want to save, but most of them fail. The reason for this may be that they never had the time to open a savings account. Unexpected events usually happen, and sometimes you spend all your money without knowing it. If you don't establish a goal amount saved every month, then you will never know how much your money is your limit to spend. Budgeting is a vital role to money management. You are bound to fail the money-making game if you lack the oversight to your finances. 3 out of 4 Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Living this kind of life makes you unable to save. So what can you do to avoid living this kind of life? Adapt the 20-30-50 method. The 20-30-50 method is an indicator of how to manage your income wisely. Every monthly paycheck, you should divide your income into 3, 20, 30, and 50. 20% of your income should go to your savings directly. 30% should be allocated for entertainment such as seeing a movie or going out to eat. The remaining 50% should be used for your daily living expenses. Budgeting your income for the month gives you an idea of how much you can possibly save and spend. Sometimes you may not be able to save the entire 20% of what you make. However, there's a trick to overcome this. You should set up automated deductions. Every paycheck, a fraction of your income should go directly to a savings account that you can't access instead of having the full amount of your income transferred to your account completely. In doing this, you can ensure that you will not be able to spend any of your savings. This will help you save strictly. Rule number 2. Emergency funds are a necessity. Life will inevitably throw you curveballs. You'll never know when you have to spend money on an unplanned hospital bill, or worse, lose your job. If you don't want to lose your income and savings in one go, an emergency fund is what you will need for these unforeseen circumstances. Financial gurus suggest that you need to have at least 6 months of expenses saved up for your emergency fund. A safer practice would be to have at least 1 year of expenses in that fund. Rule number 3, always live below your means. Spending a lot of money is very tempting when you live in a materialistic world. People often care about buying the latest gadget and being trendy than to save that money. Giving in to materialistic temptations will lead you to a lifestyle where you spend more than you earn. If your goal is to achieve financial freedom, the first step is to not spend more than you earn. Send your money to a savings account. Allocating your money to a savings account has many benefits. With the amount of money you save in the bank, you can start a business to increase income. You can also invest this money wisely and eventually retire early if you play your cards right. More importantly, the money saved in that account will give you that peace of mind when those unexpected expenses arise. Rule number 4, spend your debt wisely. Getting a house or college education is an expensive endeavor that gets compounded when you don't have enough money. In these situations, many people get student loans or home loans. Home loans are considered good loans because they can increase your net worth. Car loans, on the other hand, are not a good decision because generally, cars don't increase in value. Cars can be one of the worst depreciating assets that you can ever get a loan on. It loses value very quickly, and a high interest rate can cost you so much in the future. If you want to spend money on a car, at least save enough money to buy it in cash or buy an older car that you can afford. Rule number 5, do not just settle in saving. Saving money will never be enough to make you rich. The thing about saving money is that it will never grow and instead devalue if you just leave it in a savings account. Typically, a savings account only gives about 0.09% of interest. Investing plays a crucial role in helping you get rich on top of saving your money. Compound interest is powerful. Investing $250 a week for 22 straight years with an average return of 10% will make you a millionaire. 75% of that money is compounded interest, and the rest is principal amount. Even with all the money on you, you should not be tempted to spend everything almost instantly. Learn to value your money no matter how much you have. Rule number 6. More learning means more earning. You should always be in the pursuit of expanding your knowledge every day. Reading and learning should always be part of your daily routine. Doing so enables you to brainstorm ideas, concepts, and open your thinking to a new line of possibilities. Read nonfiction books on economics, social skills, and business development for starters. Rule number 7. Money can only buy you happiness if you spend it wisely. People are often mistaken when they think that spending money on the latest iPhone will bring them happiness. While it may give you happiness the moment you bought it, how long does that happiness last? Would you need to spend money on material things every now and then to get that short-lived happiness? Spend your money on things that don't give short-lived happiness. You can spend it on a watch as a gift for your dad. In that way, every time you see him wearing it, you become happy with your purchase. You can also spend it traveling. Memories are priceless, cherished moments. Taking a trip around the world will give you many priceless memories as well as valuable lessons you can apply to your life. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to notify you of new helpful videos.